Hey, how's it going, Carlos? My name is Devin. I just got off the phone with Samantha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix so you can start beating airondemand.com. These guys show up on the top when you type in air conditioning repair Miami, and it's really easy to get there. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you. It's really simple. A lot of business owners are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I make these attack plans and I give them away for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Whatever you want to do with this information is okay with me. It's free education. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, I want to say first off, I really like the look of your website. This font is really nice. You have all these different trust factors right here, especially showing stuff like 100% financing. Whenever someone hits your page, they're going to see a really good site. We need to get people to hit your page, and the first step is having a lot of content, which is all this stuff that you can read. Google wants to see a lot of content. The average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words of content. If I take all of your front page and I put it into this word counter, you have 281 words. Now if I go to Air on Demand and I take all of their words and put that in the word counter, they have 973. So they do have a lot more than you, but by getting yourself up to 2,000, you're going to blow them out of the water. One last quick tip: you want to put keywords inside of your content. A keyword is just a phrase like this, a common phrase somebody types into Google to find your business. So if I copy this and I go search your page for it, you can see that it shows up on your page 0 times. So when you're writing more content, make sure you put that in there a couple times. That's tip number 1. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important. Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for you, but they want to see relevant links. So you're going to get a lot more power from another HVAC company linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker or keyword planner and you can see all the stuff I'm showing you. Now it says you have 14 websites linking to you, while Air on Demand has 504 linking to them. The easiest way to beat them is to copy them, because if these links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you. So you'll take all 504 and put them on top of yours. And the way you do that is you go visit each and every website and you put a link on that website back to your page. Most of the time you just create a profile and put a link in your profile. Sometimes you may have to click the contact us button and just email the owner and talk to them about it. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And just by following those first 2 tips, that's how you show up number 1 in the organic section over here. If you want to be number 1 in the ads section, you need to be a bit higher than your competitors. And if you want to show up right here in the Google My Business section, this is the best place to show up. It's free to get here, and all you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp or Yext or Yellow Pages. What I'd recommend you did was figure out what directories reliable air conditioning was in. I'd put myself in those same directories and I add a bunch more on top. So if they were in 150 directories, I would be in 300. And that's all I've got for you, Carlos. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. Quick recap: you want 2,000 words on your homepage. You want to have more websites linking to you than Air on Demand, so I would just copy them and put all 504 of those websites linking to them, get them linking back to you. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than reliable air conditioning. Carlos, if you follow these 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably wondering what you do now. I recommend you start on this as soon as possible. It takes time to get all this done, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you rank number 1, you start getting a lot more phone calls. If you have any questions, or if you're just so busy running your business you want someone else to help you do it for you, give me a call. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching this, Carlos. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.